Hello and welcome back to the Amateur Cook. Today I'll be showing you how to cook Titus fish. If you're interested in how to cut and clean this fish, I have a detailed video on just that, so you can check that out. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. Today our core focus is going to be on preparing this fish for eating, so cooking the fish. So this is a Titus fish, cut, cleaned, washed and ready for cooking. I'll be sure to leave in the description box a list of all the ingredients I used to make this fish yummy. It's not fishy, it tastes really great. To cook this fish, I like to blend scotch bonnet, ginger, turmeric, garlic and red onion. All these spices will come together to make the fish taste amazing. I'll also be using nut cubes, salt, thyme and curry. All of them will just go in and make this fish, Titus fish, a banger. Please note that these are not the exact measurements I used for the amount of fish I cooked. Just add to your taste. Add more of the flavors you really like and less of the ones you don't, but I just think putting everything I mentioned in the right quantity will just make your fish taste really great. To cook the fish, put a pot on the cooker on medium to high heat. Add in water and let it boil, or you can add in already boiled water to save time, like boiling water from maybe your kettle, and then put in your fish. Just drop them in. Once they're all in and they're just looking like a happy family in your pot, take your blended mix of ginger, garlic, turmeric, onion and scotch bonnet and just pour in. Once that's all in, you can then add in your spices, your nut cubes, your salt, your curry, your thyme. Just add everything in there. Once you've added in everything, the next thing to do is stir. Note that this is the only time you should actually stir your Titus fish because it crumbles so quickly, especially once it starts getting soft. So just stir it, give it a good stir. Now it's all strong and firm, and then just cover and let it cook. I typically cook mine for 10 to 15 minutes and then I take it out, pop it in the oven and let it grill there to give it that fried look. Popping it in the oven just straight from the stock is so much healthier than actually frying your fish because you can do without all that oil. Before I show you the final product, this is the stock. Don't throw it away, just store it in your freezer. I'll show you how to make jollof rice or stew, yummy fish stew with this. So this is the final product, guys. Tell me you don't want to just reach into the screen and grab you a piece of fish and just eat it. It tastes better than it even looks, guys. I promise you it was gone in a second. My siblings just reached for it and just ate up everything. So yeah, it's yummy, it's amazing. I hope you try it out. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe. If you prepare this in a different way, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.